Hey guys, welcome back. In previous video, we have talked about sockets, the basics of sockets. So now we will be working on to making a simple port scanner. So it's a simple port scanner that we will make using socket module in Python. It's not as complicated as Nmap. You have many of you have heard about Nmap and much more port scanners. So what a port scanner does, a port scanner just scans all the ports that are in the server, and if one of them is open, it will just tell you that this particular port is open, and you can find vulnerability if like for example, if port 20 is open, it's 40 FTP. If it is open, maybe it is vulnerable, so that is vulnerable to some attack for hackers. So we will just make a simple port scanner for it. So I'm just telling you how to do it. Uh, don't use it for any bad purpose. Just for knowledge, I'm just showing you for this for knowledge purpose. So let's start with importing the module. And we need a target for this. Let's let it be www.google.com. Socket, then again socket dot socket dot s. So I will not be telling what is this. If you don't know, you can see previous video, basic video of sockets. So we will just go by defining the scan function that we want to use. So we will use the connect function for sockets to connect to the ports and the particular domain that we want. So here, first of all, we will put the target or the server that we want target, and then the ports. So it's better to use try and except method, that is exception handling. If in case it doesn't work, the whole program will not crash, at least. So return true except return false. Up next, we will just use for loop to scan all particular ports one by one. So for x in range, that is the way that we define the for loop in Python. Let it be like we want to scan around 80 ports. Then we will have a conditional statement if scan the X. Now here it will check that if it returned true, that will print this statement if condition, and if it is false, it will print the else statement that we will be looking at after if statement. It will be X. Let me check the whole program that we have made. Try scan, will connect. So it's done. We can run this and check out if it works or not. Yeah, it started working, like it's scanning for the port, but it is really it's not the best tool to scan ports because it's really slow. It's just a simple tool that we have made but while using socket module that we imported. So it will take a couple of minutes or some time to generate the output. So while it prints the output, I can tell you what's going on in this socket tool that we have made for scanning ports. First of all, we imported socket module and then we targeted the particular domain name. After that, we use the socket module. We define the scan function over here with the argument of port. Then we use the try and except case for exception handling. If this happens, if this works, then it's okay, and if it doesn't happen, it will return false. So it's working over here. And for X in range, it is showing that all the it will just scan for all the 80 ports that are in range. If it is true, it returns true, it will show the open ports, and if it is false, it will show all the closed ports. So here is the output. The output is showing that the ports are closed. So that's how you can make a simple tool for scanning a particular ports. If you find some open ports, you can find the vulnerabilities and all that stuff, but it's up to you. Don't use it for bad purpose. It's just for knowledge. Thanks a lot, and hope you learn more about sockets while making some tools. Thanks a lot again.